The other day I went up high, just come down, and my last attempt in this spot though, I think this corner come out to about here. It's just getting hot, there's no breeze. Don't think I'm even going to worry in here. I do know that you probably get another gram if you dug the whole bank, but you can see here it sort of widens out, and it may be worth just moving some of these. Did a bucket out of here the other day, in the dead mill maybe, in amongst them, which I reckon there would be, but it's awkward. Yeah, it'd be great to move some of these big rocks.